How to find a free Wix website on Google. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to find your free Wix website on Google. Let's get started with the process without wasting any time. So first you have to come to your home page or dashboard of Wix and click this edit site button on top right corner, and once you click this you're going to land on your Wix website editor. What you have to do is click this pages and menu option, and if you can't see this bar, just go over here to page home and here click manage pages, and it's going to open this dashboard for you. Now what you have to do is just go to the option that you want to show over there. I'm going to click these three dots right next to home and then go to SEO basics, and once you land in your SEO basics option, what you have to do is this is the place where you get found on Google. So just scroll down until you see this option. Here you have to add a strong description that you want to generate in the Google search box, and then make sure this let search engine index this page turned on. You have to put it over here to the right side. It should be toggled tick, and once this is done you're good to go. I hope you liked the process and you found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.